So my name is Chris Singleton. I am an author. I got my little man CJ. Everybody say, what's up, CJ?
What's up, CJ?
This is my son CJ, and guys, what I did is I travel all around the country. I talk about love. How can we love one another, even though we may look a little different, we may have different first languages. But one thing we're always gonna do, we're always gonna celebrate people's differences. So when somebody says that they're different, we're gonna celebrate them. This is how we do it. I call it a unity clap. All right, y'all know what that is? You have no idea. Is when I wrote this book, your teacher's gonna get one, but when I wrote this book, it is about how we can celebrate one another even though we're different. And the only thing that I'm trying to remind people is when I go to all these different places, me and Cam, everybody say, what's up, Cam?
What's up, Cam?
Me and Cam, we travel all across this country. I've been in 41 of the 50 states, and it's been 150,000 students. And when I go to all these students, all I do is remind people that, number one, we need to love everybody. Number two, there's so many things we don't choose in our life, so we need to make sure that we're being kind to people about the things that they don't choose. Some terrible things happen up here, and I wanted to know what I could do. Could I come speak up here, give away some free books? And so that's what I'm doing here. I want to thank my sponsors in Charleston that helped me to make this trip, but most of all, I want to make an impact. I want to show these kids, hey, even after the worst of the worst happens, we can come together, we can love one another, and we can still find a way to smile. So hopefully they have a good time. It'll be the grin. Who can show me what a grin looks like? Raise your hand, who can show me what a grin looks like? Who knows what a grin is? Who knows what a grin is? What do you think a grin is?
A smile.
A smile, just like this. Let me see a grin like this. Let me see y'all grin. Oh, be a grin just like that. He said his mom and his dad helping him is what makes him special. What else makes us different? Does anybody wear glasses? Raise your hand if you wear glasses. Okay, let's give them a unity clap. 1, 2, 3. Harvey Alston School, read to some second graders, gave out my books. A lot of impact was made, and we're in the heart of Buffalo right now. I'd probably say 5-10 minutes away from Tops grocery store. So we're gonna pay some respects out there and then spend some time with my family, and then more impact will be made tomorrow.
Police say 13 people were shot, 10 of them killed Saturday afternoon at this Tops Friendly Market in Northeast Buffalo.
This is the worst nightmare that any community can face, and we are hurting and we are seething right now as a community.
Okay, so we're outside of Tops grocery store here in Buffalo, and the first thing that comes to mind when I'm here is I'm seeing flowers, I'm seeing murals on walls, candlelight vigils, like the whole 9 yards. And just from my experience, like this stuff will last 6 months, maybe a year. Some of it will wash away with the rain, but the families that were affected by this, this will last the rest of their lives. And then some. My son still asks me, about grandma and grandpa, and I say they're in heaven. And he says he wishes they were here. So like I see this, and it brings back so many memories for me. And I really wanted to come here because it's just so personal to me, right? It's so personal seeing that lives were taken away because of the color of their skin. And I can only hope and pray that what I'm doing is moving the needle, bringing people closer together. But this stuff is demoralizing when I see it happen, especially for reasons that I'm trying to stop from happening around the world.